Hi, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. We've been working with multiplication for quite some time now, so we're going to take the next step into the world of long division. It's critical to remember that dividing things always requires equal groups. It's going to feel kind of backwards compared to what we've done with multiplication because for division we always start with the highest place value. We'll work first with this problem, which is 525, and we're going to divide this into three equal groups. You can see that I've represented 525 with dots on a place value chart. We have 5 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. The first step is to divide the hundreds column, the amount in the hundreds column, which we have 5 hundreds, into three equal groups. I've drawn these so that you have three, each one by itself. That's one group, another group, and the third group. But there aren't enough hundreds to add another one to all three groups. So we've got 2 hundreds left over, essentially. That's when we regroup, moving to the tens column. So I'll show you how that looks when we draw it out. We know that each 100 is the same as 10 tens. So when we've regrouped 2 more hundreds, each regrouped hundred is a set of 10 tens. Here's one of our hundreds. Here's another 100 added on to the 20 original tens, the 2 tens that we started with when our number was 525. Now in your mind you'll count and you'll know that that's 10 and 10 more are 20 and 2 more. We have 22 tens now, from which we need to make three equal groups. One more time. You're probably comfortable enough to know that 21 is easily divided into three equal groups, just like I've shown here. And when we do that, we have 7 in each group, but there's 1 left over since we did have 22. That's an extra group of 10. We're going to regroup that 10 as 10 ones in the next step. Before we had 5 ones. When we've regrouped 10 more ones with those 5, now we have 15. It's time to make three equal groups one more time. That's what division is all about. It's just breaking something apart into equal groups. You can see now that with the ones divided into equal groups, we have 5 and another 5 and another group of 5, which gives our total. We had 15 ones. They're all grouped up. Now we can find our answer to the division problem. 525 divided into three equal groups leaves us with 175 in each of the three groups. It shows up like this on a place value chart. Here's 175. Here's another group of 175. And then we have our third group of 175. 525 divided evenly into three groups is 175. That's how division works. And I'll show you more at school about how to use the long division notation to keep track of all the dividing we're doing as we work through from the highest place value column to the lowest. Our first example in the book will be dividing 735 into three equal groups. I've given you a hint to get you started, and I would love for you to work this out on a drawing of a place value chart. If you do, you'll be way ahead when you get to school. I'm excited to jump into division with you. I'm confident that it won't take us long before you're comfortable. I'll be excited when we are together again. And remember, Please be kind. I'll see you at school.